Hello everyone, welcome to Sneha Videos. This video is for 10th class, chapter 14, Statistics. In this video, we are going to learn the formula of mode for grouped data. Okay, so the formula of mean and median for grouped as well as for ungrouped and mode ungrouped formulas are given in the description. Please follow the link in the description. You'll get all the maths videos for class 10. Okay, so and will be given in the description. So let us start with the formula. Mode for grouped data. Here is the formula. Mode equals to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Okay, I am reading again. Observe carefully. L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Okay, so if you are confused where to put 1, where to put 0, where to put 2, simple, I will tell you an easy way. Simple, listen here. 10 by 102. First you write 10 by 10. Next you put 2. Okay, 10 by 10 and 2 here. Okay, so for this you put F and here also F, here F. Okay, now you got in this way, right? F1, F0, F1, F0 and F2, right? So what you should remember, 10 by 10, 2. Okay, now you can read like this, F1 minus F0 by 2F1. Here you should put 2. Okay, so the coefficient of this one is 2. 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Okay, this is common for median also, right? So this L and H are common. You just remember in this way, and the middle thing you remember by 10 by 10 2. Okay, 10 by 10 2. Okay, if you remember in this way, you will not be confused where to put. Here some of you will confuse, like here you will put 0, here you will put 1 in this way. Okay, so for that I am telling 10 by 10 2. Okay, so let us now here in this formula we have written, okay, formula finished. Now these values are taken in which table and what is the format of that table. Okay, before the explanation of the each and every term, I'll take the table format of the mode and I'll take where to take the values in that table. Okay, here is a table format of mode. So I have given the table format because you should know from where the terms of the formula have come. Okay, so here first thing is L, next F1, F0, F2 and H, right? So the main thing you should remember in the mode table is only 2 columns will be there. Okay, and these 2 columns will be given in the question only. No need to worry about this. Okay, the first thing you should write from the table is F1. Okay, so what is this F1? How you'll write this F1 means simple. The greatest value of the frequency is your F1. Okay, suppose I have written 2, 3, 7, 1, 4. Okay, so here the greatest frequency is 7. So this is your F1. Wherever it is that is your F1. Okay, now here it is F1. Wherever your F1 is there, that is your model class. Okay, you should round up like this, means this is your model class. So whatever model class lower limit is there, that is your L. Okay, means suppose I have written here the intervals like 10 to 20, 20 to 30 and 30 to 40 in this way. Here the lower limit is your 30. Okay, whatever lower limit of the model class is there, that is your L. Okay, now we finished with F1 and L. Now whatever there the frequency before F1, that is your F0. Okay, the next one of this one is F2. Okay, anyhow H will be same for mean, median and mode. H means simple, here it is 10 to 20 suppose, means you should take the H in this way, 20 minus 10. You can take any class intervals difference, you will get same thing. Okay, so suppose if you have different class intervals, means you should take the minimum class height. Okay, that will be explained in the 4 marks question problem. No need to worry about that. Okay, so remember this order. First one is F1, the before one is 0 and next one is 2. Simple, 0, 1, 2. Okay, The highest frequency is your F1 and its respective lower limit is your L. Okay. The before thing is 0. The next thing is 2. Okay. So now explain each and every term. So L means lower limit of the model class. Okay. The same thing will be given for the median also. L means lower limit of median class. In median, you should write median class. In mode, you should write model class. Okay. Next is F1. This is very important, right? F1 means we have rounded and wherever F1 is there, we have taken it as a model class, right? So that is the frequency of model class. Okay. Next is F0. F0 we are taking before F1, right? Before F1 you have F0. So this is before. Before means it is preceding. Okay. So I can take frequency of preceding model class. F2 is after F1, right? Means after model class. So we should write frequency of succeeding model class. Succeeding means the next value. Okay. So F2 means frequency of the succeeding model class. Next is your H, which is class height or class size. Okay, this will be same for median, mean and mode. Okay, same thing you should write class size or class height. Okay, and L changes for median and mode. Simple. In median means you should write median class. In mode you should write model class. Okay, F1 means frequency of model class because we are taking the model class wherever we rounded that frequency, and F0 is the before of model class and F2 is the after of model class, means preceding and succeeding. Okay, this is all about your formula of mode for grouped data and its table format as well as the explanation of each and every term. Be perfect, go through the formula, write it 2 to 3 times, 5 times, 10 times till you get it. Okay, no need to worry about that. Whenever you are writing, you just read out and write so that it will be fixed in your mind. Okay, and one more thing I want to repeat again. For mode, you should remember this way, 10 by 10, 2 for writing F1, F0, whatever it is. Okay. So, I hope you understood this formula and the explanation of each term. If you like my video, please like it, share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.